Detailed descriptions of cosmic and otherworldly sufferances. Conversation between Shri Krishna and Uddhava. Bhagwan Shri Krishna has told the sufferings of universe by cosmic and otherworldly to Uddhavas in details. He told that, listen dear Uddhava, when a wood is converting into flames, heat forms. But if you think deeply, the wood and the fire are two exactly different matters. Exactly like that, if we will think innermost point of Atma, it would came to know that the human body, which is made up of air, sky, earth, water and fire, and our heart is filled with feelings, and our brain, that is called buddhi or intelligence, including all the 17 tattvas, our minute body is formed, but both are mortal. But enlightening to these both the bodies, our consciousness is working in the form of fire, which is self-lightened. And it is beauty of the fire that whichever the pot in which fire enlightening, the fire will burn in the form of pot, looking exactly as the pot. Fire doesn't having its own shape. Yes, and also not any connections with the pot. Like that, only inside our body, which is enlightened by our soul, that soul is immersed along with the body, is appearing like the body only. And actually there is no connections between both the body and the soul. The physical body and the minute body is made up of God's Maya. And when we are believing that our physical body is only me, then we are ignoring the real source of power from our soul. That is the reason we have to take birth again and again. In spite of this, when we expect the reality of the presence of self-enlightened soul, that gives us moksha. My dear friend Uddhava, the main reason of life and death is only the unawareness of this thing. That's why the humans should realize about our soul as soon as they can. The true presence is always away from all the issues of universe within itself. It is not dependent on anything and nothing. In Yajna, when fire starts by Arini Manthan Vidhi, there are two sticks in between which starts the fire. Exactly like that, in human life, to acquire knowledge needs fire. And for fire, there are two sticks. One is Guru and the other is Shishya. Guru's Upadeshas are like the sticks in the Havan. In Yajna, when Shishya gets pure knowledge or teachings from the Gurus, it will burn all the universal grids. Raja, Tama, Sattva or Trigun also get burnt. And then only knowledge of soul and fire remains. Also become calm, like after Yajna, everything turns into Bhasma and became quiet. Dear Uddhava, if you may have trust on these universal grids and desires, and you believed on these materialistic things real, then you might believe that humans are dependent. If the humans are not dependent on this fact, then why should he accept the results of sorrow and joy? If we are trying to say that if one should know to do the good karmas, they will live happily, and doing bad karma will living sadly, is not justifying the truth, because things are not exactly like that. It varies from person to person. One should not having proud on this. If one should be proud on self that he controls his life, though he cannot control on death. The birth and death cannot be controlled by humans is the fact. Dear Uddhavas, cosmic pleasure and otherworldly pleasures are the same with by default because the fights are ongoing. The man is eligible for heaven by doing yagyadi karmas and he will enjoying the pleasures get by his ultimate work done. He enjoys his pleasure like a god. He can get a shiny aeroplane and many beautiful females and Gandharvas are singing for him. He will fly as he can. He involved in this pleasure so deeply that he couldn't knew about the end of his punya karmas. Then again he has to come for rebirth and this cycle of life and death will be continued. Any human will go with bad behavioral company and he will act like a devil, then he will become a true devil. He deserves hell. So, sorrow is the only result of misbehavings. The humans who are soaked in relatives and love and self esteem will take many births and go for deaths. Bhagwan Shri Krishna said that makers of Srishti and universe is also afraid of me because his life, universe life is also going to end. Only solution is when one can dip in his inner self and he lost the feelings of ego and become one with soul will free from all the bindings. Dear friend Uddhava, whole universe is illusion and truth is only soul, which is me, the Krishna.